In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chrome on Windows 11. We'll go from opening your first browser to launching Chrome for the first time, keeping the process safe and straightforward. First, open a web browser. On Windows 11, Microsoft Edge is already installed, so click the Edge icon on your taskbar or open the Start menu and search for Edge. Once Edge is open, click into the address bar at the top. Next, go to the official Chrome download page. Type google.com, Chrome, and press Enter. This is Google's site, which is the safest place to get the installer. Avoid third-party sites. The official page helps you steer clear of unwanted software. Click Download Chrome. Now, download the installer file. When prompted, click Accept and Install to agree to Google's terms, then choose Save or Save File if you're given a choice. The file is small and named chromesetup.exe, and it saves to your Downloads folder. If a banner at the top of Edge asks for permission to keep the file, approve it so the download completes. With the download finished, it's time to run the installer. Open your Downloads folder from File Explorer and locate chromesetup.exe. Double-click it to start. Windows will likely show a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes. From here, Chrome installs automatically. You don't need to change any advanced options, just let it run. Your internet speed will affect how quickly it completes, but it usually takes only a minute or two. When installation finishes, Chrome opens on its own and you're ready to browse. From here, you have a couple of optional choices. If you use a Google account and want your bookmarks, history, and extensions to sync, sign in using the profile button at the top right. You can also set Chrome as your default browser so links open in it automatically. Chrome will usually prompt you with a simple button to make it default, and Windows will confirm the change. That's it. Chrome is installed and ready to go.